Hello friend, welcome back to Knowledge Hub and my name is Tayan Malvia. In this video we will talk about those words which commonly create confusion when you speak. So one by one we will see each word and we will understand the meaning of these words so you can never get confused when you encounter with such kind of words. So let's start from our first word. First word is admit. What is the meaning of this word? Admit means you are accepting the truth. Okay, this is admit. Second word is confess. Confess also means accept. You are accepting something, but this time you are accepting your mistakes which you made. Okay, so both admit and confess create confusion when you are using or you are listening such kind of words. Both the meaning is same. You are accepting something, but admit means you are accepting truth, reality, while in case of confess you are accepting mistakes which you made. Okay, so I hope you understood what I am trying to say. Now let's move on. Next word is among. Among means when you are talking about more than two persons, then you will use among. Okay, distribute the sweets among these children. Distribute the sweet among children means you are talking about more than two children. Okay, that is why you are using among. If you are talking about between, then between means you are talking about two persons. Distribute the sweet between Ram and Shyam means there are two persons, Ram and Shyam. That is why we are using between. So don't confuse between among and between. Okay, so let's move on our next word, amount and number. Amount means we are talking about uh, we can count. Okay, we can not count, then we use amount. If we talk about number, then we can use number where we can count in units. Okay, so we use amount where we cannot count one by one, and we talk about number then where we can count by numbers by one by one. Okay, so we use number, so don't confuse between number and amount. Next word, we are talking about anxious and eager. Eager means it is a kind of excitement. Okay, then we use eager. And second word is anxious. Anxious means you are worried. Okay, then you will use anxious. And eager means you are excited. So don't confuse between anxious and eager. Okay, next word we are talking about, in today's video. Next word is apt, and second word is liable. Okay, apt means it is the kind of nature, apt, while in liable means responsible. Liable means responsible, while apt means it's a kind of nature, a particular thing, then we use apt. While in case of liable, then liable we use for responsible, for responsibility, then we use liable. So don't confuse between word apt and liable. Next word, we will see artisan and artist. Artisan means the person who does the work of particular art, then we will say he is artisan. Okay, artist means the person who is mastered in particular field, then we will say artist. Okay, so this is the basic difference between artisan and artist. Next word we will talk about as and like. As generally use the word, you know we put a verb after the word, you know so then we will use as. If we talk about like, then in like we use different kind of things. Like is quite different, just like we can use he's like Ram, he's like Shyam. Okay, then we use like. We talk about as means we use for particular verb, you know as he did. We talk about activity in as. If we talk about like, then we use differently. there's a different there's a I think there is a huge difference between as and like. Okay, so this is how we use the words. I hope you understood the concept which I explained. If you have any doubt, then you can simply write into comment box. So thank you for watching.